Hi, welcome to Mike's Deep Run Railroad. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an RR-CirKits signalman-c using a DR5000. So I've got my signalman all connected up. You open up Decoder Pro from JMRI and you turn on the power. You get your green light, you watch your LEDs flash, and you know it's operating. Then you turn off JMRI and you add a new loco. And then you scroll down to RR-CirKits right here. You select decoders, and there's the signalman. All right. Now I've already what that does is it'll load in the basic decoder, or it'll load in the RR-CirKits basic signalman identification and decoder information. To program a new one, what you want to do is once you get that template done, the default, you have three modes that you could choose from or set up. You can set up all single signals, two doubles, or a double and two singles. So for this one, I want to set it up as two doubles. So here's two doubles that I've already created. So I'm going to click one, go up here to File or Edit, duplicate loco, and it's going to ask me for a roster entry ID. Now I'm up to 9995. I'm going to do 9996, and I also have put in the turnout numbers that I'm going to use to address this module. So let's see, the last ones I used was 519, so we're going to go 520 and 522. Since we're doing double aspects, you have to use two headers. So I'm going to get two double signals on this one board. All right, so now if I go in and edit the one I just created, if I can find it, there it is. You edit only, go into program, and you go into basic, and you need to change it to its new address here, 996, okay? And then you go over to the CVs, and you see that 17 and 18 have been updated to the new address. So you go over to your DigiKai DR5000, you open up the program track. Here's DR5000. Open up the program track. You come down here and you use 9999, and then you write the CVs. So 17 is 231. You write that. Oops, tells me my power's off. Okay, let me go turn the power on. Okay, we've finished our boot up on the card. Write 17 CV. Oh, we got a nice ding. Now, back on the CV page, CV18 is going to be 12. And then you write that. All right, okay. So now, the signalman will not operate on the information programmed to it until you boot it. So we'll go in here and boot it and boot back, or power off and power on. You have to reload the Decoder Pro. You have to reload the Decoder Pro panel. So you save it, and you click off, you go over here, you find your new one, there it is. Gonna do program on the main, program, bring up your decoder file. You want to do this addressing with, the addressing with the signalman on your bench. You don't want to have any other signalman in the circuit, because if you write any CVs using the address 999, it will rewrite all of them. So that's kind of a pain, but I can't figure out a better way to do it. So now I'm over here, and I'm gonna just double write the address file. So write, and I get an OK, write, and I get an OK. Okay, now here's the mast, and what you can see up here is that those are the addresses of the mast from the old, the copied signal mast. You have to, the main reason to copy it is that you get all these aspects copied over, and then you just need to change the address for this turnout. In our case, it'll be 520 instead of 508. All these aspects are defined in the Signalman user's manual, and I just copied them right over into JMRI and updated each profile to the 3 different configurations I mentioned: the double, the double 2 singles, and the 4 singles. Then I have all the configurations, and all I have to do is go back in and change the track or the turnout number. So I don't know how to put videos together yet, so I'm not going to do this, but it's simply, once you change all the turnout addresses, and you can use multiple masts. So we're going to use up to 3 masts to get all the addresses and all the aspects. But the key thing was using the programming track CV writer to get the address changed to what you want it. For some reason, I could not get JMRI to change the address. So hope you found it useful. And when I get it on my layout, I'll bring you back. Talk to you later.